Alright, so hello everyone. I'm Marlo and this is a new video. Today we'll do a quick trade recap, explain to you what I've been on lately, what is my attack plan to, I don't know if you want to put it like that, but yeah, if you wonder why the fuck am I red, it's not because of my camera settings. I literally got sunburned today because I went to the gym and I straight up like sunbathed for like 4 hours straight without without even stopping. So I got sunburned as shit. I don't know I don't know if you could like tell the difference between my like this part and all of this because I'm literally red. But yeah, this is what happened today. I didn't stream today because well, I went to the beach and obviously I just wanted to relax with my friends, and we all know that trading it's a business that you could do remotely from anywhere in the world. You just need internet access. And that's the cool thing about trading. Well, yeah. My attack plan, my so called attack plan, is that, well, during my last trade, I didn't actually blew my funded account. I got like 600 and something to risk more. It's basically blown, but it could still, I could still turn that shit up. I could still turn that shit up. I only need some winning trades. But what I will do is buy another account, even though I didn't blue this one yet. I didn't blue that one yet. Pause. No, but let's lock in. Well, I buy another account. I'll trade on that one. I'll try the same like risk management strategy because I've looked into it, and honestly, I feel like that is the best fitted for me. I just want to pass my eval in one day. And I think this is what you should do. Like genuinely. Even though you are blowing funded after funded after funded, bro, when you pass your eval and you actually have a chance of getting a payout, you know that shit is real. So why wouldn't you just speed up that process? I'm not saying to full port. I've done this shit 2 times by now. So I didn't got burnt 1 time, but 2 times, because I was a dumbass. But yeah, I'm saying that you could go high risk. Let's say your maximum risk is 4 minis or 40 micros. You should go with 20, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, by the way. But yeah, let's go to charts, see what happened today, see what really went into the markets because today was just crazy. Well, this was my trade. You could see that I got stopped out right here at break even because I figured something out. But let's explain the trade first. Well, I watched the hourly chart and we were bullish. We were just extending, like we kept extending. And I said to myself, well, if we're going to inverse this gap and like break hourly and 4 hour structure and just go for these highs, I am going to target all time highs on Nasdaq. And we were doing kind of the same thing on ES. We broke 4 hour structure on both indices, like properly broke it, but then for some reason, or no, well, we made a 5 minute break of structure right here. We made a 5 minute retrace into equilibrium. Let me show it to you real quick so you could like understand the thought process. Well, we went into 5 minute equilibrium right here, and then we made this inverse for value gap on both indices, Nasdaq and S&P 500. In fact, I think it was a break of structure because I didn't want it to like wait for these two whole 1 minute gaps to be inverse because I would have had like trash risk reward. But yeah, I basically waited for both indices to inverse that gap, and when we did, I longed the more bullish index, which was Nasdaq. Oh, in fact, on ES we inversed this gap, but yeah, on Nasdaq we broke structure, and on ES we inversed that gap. So I targeted these highs, and you could see that I got literally edged, like literally edged. We went a little bit into drawdown right here, but when I saw that we swept all of this low resistance liquidity, we respected this gap and we were displacing higher, I thought that for sure this is going to hit. So what did I do? After we took out this 5-minute high, like right here, which was my buy side liquidity, I moved my stop loss to break even. Well, I didn't go with so much risk on this because I didn't have my new funded account, but by tomorrow I will have it. I'm sorry. So normally I would have closed my position like right here if I went high risk on this shit, but I didn't. So I thought that price it is really going to hit my take profit. Unfortunately it didn't, but good thing that I put my stop loss right here at break even, and you could see that I got stopped out. Well, it is what happens. It could have been a lot worse. Like, this could have been just a horrible day. I was lucky that it wasn't, due to my, I guess I was a little bit fortunate on this, because I moved my stop loss to break even after we swept buy side 5-minute liquidity. But yeah, price just decided to like dump for no reason. We broke 5-minute structure, and honestly I just wanted to find something so I could short ES down to London session lows, but you could see that we straight up dumped without like even breaking 1-minute structure once. So I didn't really had like what to do. I guess you could have, no, you couldn't, we just consolidated. But yeah, this is what happened today. Today it was just a bad day for trading, but good thing that I got stopped out at break even, so I didn't really lose anything. But yeah, this was my trading day. I don't think that I could have done anything else better than I did. My trade respected my strategy like to a T. Well, I moved my stop loss to break even after we swept buy side liquidity, so I didn't actually risk anything, so I didn't end up losing. So any day that you don't lose, it's a winning day. So yeah, this was my trade for the day. I don't think that you could have took anything else besides this, but yeah. Well, I've been kind of locked out lately on the content, but not because I want to, just because I literally can't film any TikToks, so I could like promote my channel and promote myself and do all this type of stuff. But yeah, we'll get through it. We'll get through it. I try to contact some managers to maybe help me with that, but I'll see. Just because I'm such a small content creator, no one is really willing to help a guy like me. But yeah, it is what happens. Well, this was my trading day. For right now, we didn't actually make shit. We only lost, but it is what it is. It is what it is, you know? Well, yeah, I'm Marlo. This was my day. I hope you enjoyed your Monday, because this was the perfect Monday for me. I got my work done. Where I live, the market opens at like 4 p.m. So I got plenty of time to do whatever until market open. So yeah, I did everything I had to do. I went to the beach and like I took a trade. Isn't that awesome? Well, that's the life of a trader. And if you want to live like this, because this is a thing that I was thinking about today. How can I live like this for the rest of my life? And this was my answer. Trading. Because you could do this shit remotely from anywhere in the world. Again, you only need like internet access, and that's all. But you have to lock in. I have to lock in. I have to be to get fucking profitable, to get a fucking payout, multiple payouts, scale that shit, move into a live account, and just live the life I always wanted to live. And this is what I'm going to do. But this shit will take some time, of course. Well, yeah, this will end the video for the day. I hope you understood something off of this video, and genuinely, I hope you took the same trade. Because if you are trading my strategy, and if you are trading like ICT concepts in general, this was the general bias and confluences that you would have used. So yeah, this was my trade for the day. This is the video for the day, and what can I say? I'll see you in the next trade recap. I'm Marlo. Bye.